Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sheena again from Luna Rozu, and I know it's been quite a while since my last upload, but today I would just like to sort of do an unboxing for you guys. This is from Your Creative Studio. This is sent to me by Amanda. Thank you so much, Amanda. And if you don't know, she does subscription boxes every month, and they're filled with so many gorgeous goodies for you to use to journal and decorate your traveler's notebook and things like that. So let's get started. So this is how the box will come in. It comes with a really pretty card right there, and then it's wrapped up in I guess sort of like tracing paper, so keep it. You can use bits and parts of it to decorate your journal later on. Never waste. And let's get into it. So this is the first time I'm unboxing as well, so we're kind of gonna do it together. Okay, so we have these gorgeous papers. This will look perfect for a sort of a botanical, nature-ish kind of journal, which is something I've been wanting to do for a while now. So you have a few paper ones, and then also this is sort of a vellum type, so that's pretty cool. And next we have this little pretty sticker here, which would go well when you're doing, you know, smaller tags and whatnot. And that's really cute. And then we have some retro sticker notes here. Let's open them up. Oh, before I forget, this is the October box, which I am super late to unboxing. But you can go to the website, I'll link it down below. You'll find out what's in the November box. Well, it's almost December, but she has gorgeous boxes, so just sort of a glimpse of what you might get in your future boxes. These are retro cards. So I think, oh, okay, so these are sort of post-its, and then you can sort of trim this part here to decorate your tags as well. Sorry, my voice is almost gone. I'm just trying to get through this. Sorry guys. And we also have, I think these are mini stickers. Oh no. Oh cool. It's some washi tape right there, some musical notes one. Perfect for that vintage look. And inside this little box here we have lots and lots of mini tags, which is really great. You can never have too many tags, that's what I think. I think they're sort of stickers as well. I think you can make them into stickers as well. So here you have a variety of styles, and I like that the colors are actually sort of more vintage sort of colors, so they would go well with all sort of color themes that you're doing with your journals. So that is really pretty. That is in there. And then we also have, let's see, we also have another washi tape here. This one is vintage cameras, so that's really cool. And we also have vintage envelopes. I used to have these. Oh, that's a lot actually. So, and I have run out of these, so this would be great to, you know, have in stock, just in case you want to do sort of an envelope collection. If you haven't started doing one of those, you can start off with this one, and then you can start decorating this one just to get, you know, familiar and used to decorating envelopes. So that is that one there. And we also have this one here. I'm not sure what this is. Hold on. It says stickers. Hold on. So this one, hold on. So let's see what this one is. That's so cute. It has this little slot here. I think you're supposed to get the cards out there, sort of like a Polaroid, I think. So inside this little camera thing, you have this sort of like tickets and whatnot. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm guessing I really love this month's box. This is the October box, by the way. Because there's a lot of vintage items in here and lots of things to create tags with, so I really love it. And then next we have this little camera here, which I think is a stamp. Hold on. So this is so adorable. I'm sorry if it's, let me try to see if it can focus. It's so adorable. Oh my god. So it's a camera one. So if you're journaling in your traveler's notebook, you know, places you've been, if you've gone on holiday, I thought it's really cute. You could, you know, stamp it where you have and then put a Polaroid photo of, you know, where you've been and things like that. And then this one is a sort of a notebook. Hold on, let me open this up. So this one comes like this. So you have lots of papers now here as well. Again, perfect for making tags. You could use this to decorate pages as well, make pockets as well if you want. You know, sometimes when you have those 12 by 12 sheets and then it's, you know, back and front, and sometimes I get a little bit sad when you only want one side and then the other side goes two ways because you want to use it as a pocket. So I thought this would be sort of an excellent substitute for that. So really gorgeous, this one. And then here, this one is also another notebook. So we have quite a number of notebooks. Hold on. And this one is sort of, this one, oh, okay, so this one is perforated in the middle. I don't know if you can see, but this one has a more sort of green palette to it. So really great if, you know, you have pastel wallpaper with florals and whatnot. This would go perfect with it. So I like that she included sort of two sort of different colors, color scheme right here. So if you have more, you know, bright colors, I think this one would be great to use. And then you have this one, which is more of that really retro vintage look. So that's that one there. And then finally we have, oh, this is a huge stamp. So again, lots of sort of cameras, I think. So we have this little cute one here, another stamp here, and then we also have a vintage camera washi here. So this month is really a lot of, I think this is sort of a running theme here. If I'm not mistaken, that's sort of a running theme here with photography. So that is really cool. So you could use this in sort of a modern kind of journaling, and then the rest can sort of be if you're doing a vintage kind of journaling. So yeah, so this is October's box from Your Creative Studio. Thank you so much, Amanda. And I will leave all the details, the price and the link to her website where you can join the subscription service as well. I absolutely recommend it, because if you don't get access to, I mean, especially like for me, we don't really have a lot of Tim Holtz here in Malaysia, or access to, you know, a Joanne store and whatnot. So this is really great. I absolutely love it, especially all these papers. The pattern paper is, I think, one of my favorites actually, this one. And also this little an assortment of tags here. There's so many here. I don't think I'll be able to finish this up, but look at how gorgeous this one is. This is, yeah, this one and this one is definitely my favorite. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick unboxing with me. I know I'm a little late, but don't forget to visit Amanda's website and then just to sort of check out what her next subscription box will sort of be like, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!